Hi, everyone. My name is Paris A. I'm an aerobic consultant with Walsh College, and I'm here to let you guys know about the transfer program from your institution to Walsh. The transition to Walsh from another institution is pretty simple and smooth. We accept transfer credits from traditional four-year institutions as well as community colleges, which is our number one partners. A potential student should know about the transfer admission requirements and the flexibility of fitting courses into their work-life balance. The first thing any potential student must do is register. Students can easily access our application page by visiting Walsh's homepage. From there, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to fill out the form. Here at Walsh, we do offer open enrollment. This allows students to pre-register for the classes well in advance for all year round registration. We have 4 semesters. These include winter, spring, summer, and fall, as well as 11-week accelerated semesters. This also allows students to prepare for graduation and plan for their next steps in their career. At Walsh, we're a unique school because we're known as a private school as well as upper division. This essentially means we don't offer your first 2 years of college, which also doesn't allow you to start straight after high school. All students that come to Walsh must have 2 years of college credit completed. Before students transfer over, they must have their general educations completed as well. These are normal courses towards the major that they're looking at. When students meet with advisors or consultants, we provide them with the transfer guide. This shows them all the courses that are transferable from their previous institution to Walsh. And here at Walsh, we offer majors in accounting, which is one of our most popular majors. It's built for success for someone who's looking to earn their CPA or CMA. And Walsh is proud to have one of the highest CPA pass rates in Southeast Michigan region. As well, we offer programs in finance, general business, management, marketing, as well as IT. And IT is another popular program. It has 4 concentration areas: cybersecurity, automotive cybersecurity, programming, project management, as well as information systems. Walsh is recognized through Homeland Security and the National Security Agency as a cyber defense program. We're one of the first schools in the state to receive that. So if you're looking to work for the government in the future, it does meet the hiring needs. Bachelor of Applied Management is also another new degree to our program. This program allows you to transfer up to 90 credits. By doing this, you would have to complete 10 courses to earn your bachelor's degree. You will also need to have an Associates of Applied Science coming into this program as well. And the last program we offer is the Human Resources degree, which was recently added this past fall. We offer master's degree programs in addition to our bachelor's degree programs. In order to get started with your bachelor's degree, you have to have a minimum of 60 credits completed. Within those 60 credits, you do need 30 general education credits. If you complete the Michigan transfer agreement, that will also satisfy your 30 general education credits. The last two things that we require are an English composition or communication class, as well as intermediate algebra or a higher math class. What's nice is that Walsh allows you to transfer 82 to 90 credits, depending on your major. We also allow you to stay at the community college a little bit longer and save more money. And then when you transfer, all you have left remaining are your selected major core courses. Any course you complete with a C or higher is transferable. And once you meet admission, you are eligible to start at Walsh. We have the Walsh Now program. This is essentially concurrent enrollment. So say you have 60 credits completed and you meet admission, you have the opportunity to take courses at the community college to earn your 82 to 90 credits. You can start at Walsh while attending a community college. This allows you to maximize your credits. For students looking to earn their master's degree quicker, we have the Fast Track program. This allows you to double dip classes from your bachelor's degree to your master's. A master's degree at Walsh is 10 courses. So when you do the Fast Track, you can reduce it down to 6 classes. A lot of times students hear that we're a private school, they get concerned about tuition costs. Even though we're a private school, we're very comparable to public university tuition costs. 3 years of courses at the community college typically cost around $7,000. When you come to Walsh, you're going to take 45 credits or typically 15 courses. This is going to cost you around $22,000. It does sound like a big jump, but when you look at the overall degree costs, you're spending about $29,000 for your full degree. When you compare that to public university costs, On average, four-year public institution will cost around $66,000. And some private institutions go up into the $90,000 range. So it's a lot of money that you can save. And coming to Walsh allows you to not go into huge financial debt. We do offer financial aid. We have over $400,000 in scholarship funds available. Awards range from $500 to a full tuition paid. One of the most popular scholarships is the DeRoy Scholarship. This is essentially a full ride for students who have achieved a high GPA standing coming into Walsh. It's easy to apply for financial aid. Just make sure to apply prior to your first semester so that you can be in the application pool. And lastly, we do transfer days as well as walk-in Wednesdays. So we do visit community colleges throughout the semester and throughout the year. We conduct on-site admission review by reviewing transcripts. And even if you don't meet admission, we can still let you know what additional classes you can take.